was working with the Viral Fever after so long, so I knew that they have an audience. But aspirants के लिए मेरा audition हुआ है proper, और मेरा ego भी hurt हुआ था. मुझे लगा था अरे TVF का show है और ये they want to test me. I mean they तो know कि मैं acting आती है मुझे थोड़ी बहुत. But हाँ, I don't think it's easy to anticipate this kind of success. I don't know, तो ऐसा तो नहीं पता था कि फिर से थोड़ी सी इज्जत बन जाएगी और लोग आपको एक्टर समझने लगेंगे फिर से. So I wanted people to watch what I was doing, you know. I was very happy with my performance in Pinkistan, but a lot of people didn't watch it, you know. I also got an award for Bose, but people didn't know that I was there in the show. जब LSD में मैं राजकुमार राव को देख रहा था करते हुए, you know, I was an AD on it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वही रोल मुझे सबसे अट्रैक्टिव लगता था LSD में. वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया आसपास के लोगों ने, तो मैं बन गया एक्टर. मेरे तो पापा ने कह दिया था, मतलब माय फादर डिडंट वांट मी टू कम टू बॉम्बे. मैं तो उनका कह रहे तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं है हीरो बनने की. मम्मा डांटता है ना, पापा 50 लाख कहाँ से लाएंगे हम 50 लाख? आपका प्लान ही गलत है. आपको बेटी को किडनैप करना चाहिए था, बाप से पैसे मांगने चाहिए. आपने बाप को किडनैप किया और बेटी से पैसे मांगे. I think Sunny has become very close to me. Strangely, I don't know, because of lockdown or because of the show, we are like talking to each other every day. मेरी joint family थी और मैं ही घर का नचनिया था in a way. तो अंदर से तो मैं हंस रहा होता हूँ, लेकिन मेरी बाहर तो
जो छुपते थे रहते थे दुबके से गाने लगे.
मेरा दिन भी ना हिंदू से शुरू होता है और योजना कुरुक्षेत्र में खत्म. नोट्स बना बना के अंगूठे के फिंगरप्रिंट बदल गए मेरे.
आप बीड़ी भी पीती हैं?
मैरिज हुआ ना.
मैरिज हुआ ना, बहुत अच्छा.
कमरे में अंधेरा है और आपको बल्ब जलाना है ना, तो स्विच बोर्ड पे हाथ पैर मारते रहोगे ना, तो किसी ना किसी स्विच से तो लाइट जल जाएगी बॉस.
Hey, Griha.
How
I'm
are
so
you,
sorry.
Naveen? नहीं, not a problem at all.
I'm good. आप कैसे हो? How are you?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आप बहुत ही रिलैक्स, लेड बैक लग रहे हो. संडे बिल्कुल परफेक्टली बिता रहे हो आप.
हाँ, मैं एक्चुअली सभी दिन ऐसे ही बिता रहा हूँ, संडे की तरह.
But you deserve it after the lovely show Aspirants that you've given us. You deserve all the, you know, aram that you can get.
No, actually, ideally, I would want to go out and shoot more, and you know,
Yeah.
but yeah, we are not allowed to do that. So,
That's true.
but
That's
I'm
true.
not complaining. I'm very happy.
You've taken a sip. I'll cheers you with my cup of coffee. I'll take my sip. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
I'm glad that finally हम लोग सुलेमानी कीड़ा की बात कर रहे थे. And from then to now, it's only I don't know how many years has it been. इतने साल के बाद I'm actually getting to see you.
सुलेमानी कीड़ा 2014 में आई थी. So 2014 December. So a little more than 6 years, 6.5 years.
Yeah, more than. हाँ. जितना टाइम पिक्चर्स को हो गया है, राइट? 6 साल.
पिक्चर्स को 6 साल जून में हो जाएंगे. अभी मतलब 10 दिन में हो जाएंगे.
So
I remember the
let's
day.
begin with Aspirants only. I mean, I love the fact that obviously you're talking about old Rajendra Nagar. मेरे 10 साल उस जगह पे गुजरे हैं. You know, I have spent an hour. I was not prepping for IAS because मेरा office आज तक वहाँ Videocon Tower में होता था, तो I used to stay there, Rajendra Nagar में. So I could relate with everything and all the locations that you guys shot at, you know, and जिस तरह से the show has been presented visually, you know, everything was like, it was very nostalgic. You know, I cannot relate with it as an IAS aspirant because I never was one. But yeah, with the locations and the way you have actually captured the people and everything, I want to ask you about the kind of responses that you guys received as a unit after Aspirants received the kind of success that it did.
It's actually out there for people to see. I mean, I think anyone can make out right now that the show has done well. So yeah, I think all of us have received some, like you know, I think everyone is overwhelmed by the response, and people from the industry are watching it. You know, a lot of people who I respect and admire, they have texted me, so that makes me very happy. So it's I mean, there is hardly any negative comment. You know, if you scroll down the comments while watching the show, so it's mostly positive, and I'm very happy with the response. Yeah.
Achha, I love the way how people are messaging, hello Abhilash sir, hello sir, Abhilash ji, you nailed it. Everybody is addressing you, you know, as Abhilash. And it has happened with you. I mean, pehle bhi, with pictures, obviously you were called Naveen in pictures. But I wanted, these dialogues have really stuck with the show's popularity. चाहे वो pictures का तू beer है था, या फिर आपका I am stunned था, Rowdies में. And here Rajendra Nagar, since I mentioned Rajendra Nagar ke relationships yahi reh jate hain. I mean, people, I'm sure IS people who were aspirants and who have been, they would relate with that totally. So, has there been an aspirant who's sort of DM'd you, spoken about his or her
a lot of aspirants. In fact, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक टाइम था जब तब भी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था, when we were working on pictures, तब भी ऐसा लग रहा था, मुझे नहीं पता था. Maybe writers और makers के जहन में ये चीज थी कि once the show comes out, it should inspire people to, to begin their own startups. And I never thought while working on aspirants that it's going to inspire people, it's going to motivate them to, study harder and, so those kinds of things are also happening. Lots of aspirants are texting me. Lots of IS officers are texting me,
Right.
They're very happy with the portrayal, the kind of, authenticity that we have shown through the, through the show. It's like people can relate to it. और हाँ ऐसा हो रहा है, बहुत सारे aspirants खुश हो रहे हैं और excited हो रहे हैं और motivate हो रहे हैं, ऐसा भी आ रहा है कि people, लोगों के आखिरी attempt हैं, and they're texting me and they're letting me know कि they were a little low in life and they were not very confident, but now they're pretty confident and they're going to give it another shot.
I wanted to know, Naveen, because pictures and aspirants and all of this has happened. People start to talk about these various performances that you've been part of. And then there is sort of a gap because obviously people live and, they live on the trend. As an actor, what is that feeling like? This bouts of not having work or probably doing things or writing or whatever you are involved in. What is it like? Because we are in the lockdown situation. There is not really, everything is not 100%. So what goes on in the mind of an actor, if I had to ask you?
When you're going through that lull period, you're saying, when really like when your things are not really coming up.
Yeah.
I think I finally made peace with it. Initially when pictures came out and people started recognizing me, and I was expecting better scripts to come my way, but then nothing of that sort happened. So I chose from whatever I got, and those things didn't really work the way pictures work, And now since aspirants has worked. So I think it's a cycle, It's not everything that you get is going to do wonders. So I'll still keep choosing from the things that I get offered, but I'll be okay with this kind of thing, It is part of, I think, like it's part of our life. It's that's how it is. Every work that you do is not going to be as successful as probably a pictures is or an aspirant's is. So I'm now I've accepted it. There were times when I was too desperate for a popular show or for a popular work. I wanted people to watch what I was doing. I was very happy with my performance in Pinkistan, but a lot of people didn't watch it. I also got an award for Bose, but people didn't know that I was there in the show. Yeah. So I mean I think it's going to be like this now. I mean. So
but wouldn't you say things are better right now because of the phase that the entertainment industry is in, the creative industry is specifically with the OTT boom and everything? Do you think it's better for actors?
No, also because these kind of things might still happen, because until unless you deliver something which is really good, people are not going to come and watch it because there's so many options. So there is a possibility that you do something which is very good and it comes on this Falana Dimkana channel. And people don't end up watching it because until unless they really, they hear good things about it, that it's a fantastic show, and they might just skip it, because there's so many options. So फायदा भी है, फायदा तो है ही, because there's so many, सबको बहुत opportunity मिल रही है, actors को, writers को, directors को, बहुत सारा काम है, but आपका काम skip भी हो सकता है अगर वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है तो, मतलब aspirants I think work पूरी तरीके से, चाहे वो performances हो, चाहे वो script हो, screenplay हो, music हो, it really had that kind of an impact on people, and that's why I think that's
एक actor को एक inkling हो जाती है ना, जब when you are actually reading a script or when you've started to shoot एक पता चल जाता है कि कैसा करेगा शो या फिल्म कैसा करेगी. Did you have that inkling that this will do so well, Aspirants?
See, I was working with the Viral Fever after so long, so I knew that they have an audience. You know, they have an audience, and even if it doesn't do well, it's not going to be a bad show. Or, you know, a lot of people are going to watch it. People will be aware of its existence. But I don't think it's easy to anticipate this kind of success. I don't really. I mean, I am never sure of it. I can see that, you know, the world looks real, the character looks real, and the story is engaging. But I had my doubts about lots of things. You know? तो ऐसा तो नहीं पता था कि you know कि फिर से थोड़ी सी इज्जत बन जाएगी और लोग आपको एक्टर समझने लगेंगे फिर से. तो
अच्छा नवीन, जहाँ तक मेरी जानकारी है, when you had decided to actually, you know, quit your corporate job and come to Bombay, you hadn't really thought of acting. You had come to direct, right? तो how did ये कैसे हो गया? मतलब कैमरे के पीछे से कैमरे के सामने?
ये वहीं से तो हुआ, सुलेमानी कीड़ा से ही तो हुआ. मासूरकर और मैं, हम दोनों ही राइटर्स थे. मतलब मासूरकर was trying to make his own film, I was trying to make mine. And तो हम लोग घूमते रहते थे, कम काम करते थे, ज्यादा टाइम बुक शॉप पे जाते थे और, you know, रैंडम चीजें करते थे. वहीं से आई थिंक उसका सीड आया कि you know कि there should be a story about two writers. और उस वक्त I used to live with actors. You know, मेरा पैसे वैसे खत्म हो गए थे जो मैं जॉब वर्क करता था. So I was living with actors. I had started going for ad auditions. अच्छा. तो मुझे पैसे के लिए मैं बीच में ad audition के लिए जाता था क्योंकि मैं गलती से 1-2 ad कर चुका था. तो अमित को भी आइडिया हो गया था कि एक्टिंग करता है, ये कुछ करता है, स्कूल कॉलेज में भी करता था. तो अमित ने ही काफी पुश किया था. अमित ने पुश किया था. अरुणाब ने भी फिर मुझे शंघाई में देखा था छोटे से पार्ट में. So I think उस वक्त ये दोनों इन अ वे मेरे थोड़े, you know, एक सीनियर फ्रेंड्स टाइप थे. So they only asked me to take it more seriously. Then when कीड़ा happened, you know, तो थोड़ा एक encouragement मिलता था. तो तब से दिमाग में थोड़ा सा एक्टर की तरह मैं सोच रहा था कि then फिर पिक्चर्स हुआ तो फिर तो फुल फ्लेजेड दिमाग में एक्टर बन गया था. मुझे लग रहा था कि I enjoy doing this. Maybe I was not very confident initially that, you know, I didn't have the courage to tell people that I want to be an actor. But I think like अंदर desire तो था. जब LSD में मैं राजकुमार राव को देख रहा था करते हुए, you know, I was an AD on it.
Yeah, you were an AD.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है वही रोल मुझे सबसे अट्रैक्टिव लगता था LSD में. अच्छा. जो राजकुमार राव कर रहा था. तो I think वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया आसपास के लोगों ने, तो मैं बन गया एक्टर.
And then working with him in Bose, that must be like a true coming full circle and all that.
Yeah. It happened. I felt at that point, you know. I in fact was telling someone that, you know, I was not nervous while working with Naseer sir on certain films, but I was quite nervous when I was working with Raj because I had seen Raj like that, you know, and I'd seen him over the years in his journey, and I was a fan of his work. When I saw him in Shahid, maybe I wanted to be like him, you know. Maybe I wanted to achieve what he had achieved. क्योंकि नसीर सर का तो जमाना और था. तब कंपटीशन अलग किस्म का था, वर्ल्ड अलग किस्म का था. Raj in a way is an inspiration for a lot of actors like me because he's a story, you know. He doesn't have any connection. और वो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक्टर है, वो अभी हीरो है. मतलब वो he's the leading man of commercial films and who's watched by a lot of people. I mean, तो I think तो वो हुआ I think वो सर्कल पूरा हुआ था.
And when you say school and college से theater वगैरह में आप involved थे, this love for Hindi cinema ये था ज़्यादा या क्या था? मतलब बचपन से was it? Yeah, did you have the confidence to actually stand up and say कि भाई मैं तो हीरो बनूंगा या something? कभी ऐसा हुआ या you never thought?
मेरे तो पापा ने कह दिया था, मतलब my father didn't want me to come to Bombay. मैं तो उनका कह रहे तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं हीरो बन. तुम कहाँ बॉम्बे जाओगे? तो तभी तो मैं कहा था ना कि आप फिर बोलते ही नहीं हो ना आपको बनना है. आप कहते हो कि नहीं आपको तो वो तो करना ही नहीं है, हमें तो डायरेक्टर बनना है. मैं पढ़ा लिखा आदमी हूँ, मैं साइंटिस्ट हूँ, मैं फिल्में बनाऊंगा. और फिर अंदर से सोचता था कि फिर मैं उसमें एक्टिंग भी करूंगा. वो मैं किसी को बताऊंगा नहीं, वो मैं जब बताऊंगा तब करूंगा. सो ऐसा थॉट था. तो शायद मैं भूल गया. आपने पूछा क्या था गृह?
So I wanted to know that you were obviously like you said school or college maybe dramatics or theater में आप involved थे. तो ये because of your love for cinema था या what is it that initial thought क्या था that drew you towards this
सी धीरे धीरे ग्रो किया। मुझे ऐसा लगता है आई वाज ऑलवेज फैसिनेटेड विद फिल्म्स। मुझे फिल्में बहुत पसंद थी। मुझे अर्ली 90s का टाइम भी याद है। मैं बाजीगर का बहुत दीवाना था। मैं आंखें का बहुत दीवाना था। दिस इज 93।
Yeah.
सो एंड मैं बहुत मेरे मेरे एक अंकल थे जो एंटरटेनमेंट इंस्पेक्टर बन गए थे। तो उस चक्कर में क्या था, 94 या 95 ऑनवर्ड्स ना हम लोग सिनेमा में बॉक्स में बैठ के मूवीज देख सकते थे बिकॉज ऑफ हिज जुगाड़। सो
अच्छा।
आई वुड मेक माई पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो। मैंने बहुत बुरी से बुरी फिल्में गोविंदा की मैंने छोटे सरकार तक हॉल में देखी है। आई वाज मैं बॉलीवुड से इतना ज्यादा एट द सेम टाइम अच्छी कहानियां ही मुझे अच्छी लगती थी। मतलब मुझे याद है मैं माचिस का बहुत बड़ा भक्त था which came out in 96 and I was very small. I was like 10. So
Yeah.
तो हाँ वो फिल्म्स के साथ फैसिनेशन था। मुझे याद है 6th क्लास में मैंने ऐसा बोला भी था कि आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर व्हेन आई ग्रो अप। बट बाय द टाइम यू ग्रो अप, आई मीन ग्रो ओल्ड, यू आर इन 10th, you start preparing for IT entrance, तो फिर वो थोड़ा एक बैक बर्नर बैक फीट पे चला जाता है।
Shying away from, yeah.
सो
हाँ.
आई थिंक मेरे को जॉब वो बोरिंग लगने लग गया था। आई थिंक बाद में ये हुआ, कॉलेज में भी प्ले किया बट कॉलेज में ऐसा थॉट नहीं था कि आई वुड एक्ट इन फिल्म्स और आई वुड डायरेक्ट फिल्म्स। कॉलेज में वो थॉट नहीं था। कॉलेज में था कि आई वुड ऑलवेज स्टे कनेक्टेड विद थिएटर। आई वुड कीप एक्टिंग एंड आई वुड कीप सम लाइक जॉब के साथ साथ मैं ये करता रहूंगा। लेकिन जॉब में मैं बोर हो गया। मुझे लगा कि ये तो नहीं कर सकते हैं हमेशा। तो तभी आई थिंक वो दिमाग में आया कि लेट्स गो टू बॉम्बे, let's see how things work. Yeah.
I'll fascinated by films. Were you that person who would remember those character actors के भी dialogues याद होंगे?
Yes.
Bollywood एक encyclopedia type का वो सब।
हाँ, मेरे कजन को मेरा मजाक उड़ाते रहते थे यार, क्योंकि ना मुझे ऐसे रैंडमली पूछते थे कि नवीन नहीं जो भी कि इसका म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर कौन था, just to pull my leg, I would, because हाँ 90s की फिल्म्स मुझे बहुत ज्यादा याद रहती थी कि इसका म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ये है, इसमें इसने एक्टिंग किया है, even the crew members I was like I would focus on them. I think normal audience probably would not take care of, take notice of those things, but I would at that point. और तब वीडियो कैसेट्स होते थे and I was not in fact allowed to watch a lot of films. My father was a little too strict about my studies and all. तो हम लोग हर फ्राइडे सैटरडे को आई थिंक वीडियो कैसेट्स आते थे और वैसे देखते थे। ऐसा था, मुझे कैरेक्टर एक्टर सब पता होते थे। तभी तो हैव यू सीन दिस मूवी कॉल्ड कामयाब? जो हैव यू सीन दिस मूवी कॉल्ड कामयाब? हार्दिक मेड इट विद संजय मिश्रा। अभी की फिल्म है, लास्ट ईयर की, रेड चिलीज ने प्रोड्यूस की थी।
Oh yeah, of course I've seen कामयाब। हाँ मैं भूल गई थी। हाँ I've seen it, of course.
Which is, I mean, that movie is about character actors, and Hardik is also friend. तो हार्दिक के साथ इनफैक्ट हम बैठते हैं तो कई ऐसी, both of us were assistant directors. I know Hardik since 2009 only. He was aiding on Road movie. I was aiding with Bhatt sir and later Dibakar Banerjee. तो हम लोग यही बहुत ज्यादा I think movies obsessed थे हम लोग। फिल्म मेकर्स या एक्टर्स से पहले ना ऑडियंस ही थे। हमें मतलब पिक्चरों से, कहानियों से प्यार था। फिर ऑब्वियसली जैसे जैसे बड़े हुए गया तो आई थिंक कॉलेज में you got exposed to world cinema, then you started watching lots of films that टॉरेंट आया लाइफ में, तो बहुत सारा बाहर का सिनेमा आया लाइफ में। फिर आपको लगा कि अरे
love how you say टॉरेंट, पुरानी यादें आ गई हैं।
हाँ, फिर आपको लगा कि अरे सिर्फ यही एक्टिंग नहीं है, और भी बहुत कुछ एक्टिंग है। सो फिर धीरे धीरे पता लगा और चीजें देखी। तो अब जिन स्टार से प्यार है, लेकिन एक्टिंग थोड़ा और ज्यादा दिखी, और हाँ बहुत सारी बाहर की कहानियां दिखी, तो फिर और भी प्यार हुआ एक्चुअली।
So let's do a मजेदार सा quiz. We will actually gauge your Bollywood craze. तो मैं आपसे कुछ चीजें पूछूंगी। I know whether you remember it or not, it's just for fun.
अभी इतनी डींगे मार रहा था, अभी पकड़ा जाऊंगा। Shit.
नहीं I'll give you a dialogue, you tell me, it's very easy. ये किसने बोला है, किस कैरेक्टर ने? Then I'll ask you the next one. देखिए भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है।
ये तो अभी का है, ये तो वेलकम। See, this is 2007। अभी 2007 का मेरा नॉलेज इतना अच्छा नहीं है। 90s का अच्छा।
अच्छा तो मतलब we can try. अच्छा 90s, I'll ask you about अंदाज अपना, okay?
Oh, you've already told me that. What are you going to ask me now?
तो मैं पूछूंगी ना, अब you tell me. अंदाज अपना में तेजा ने फिरौती के लिए अमर प्रेम से कितने पैसे मांगे थे?
8,000 समथिंग 29 पैसे ऐसा कुछ था, 8,500।
Dude,
It
you
was
know
something like that.
that's what they gave ना, मांगे कितने थे?
मांगे तो 50,000 थे
But-
यार, 50,000 नहीं, 50,000 मांगे थे ना,
वाह
या 50 लाख
यार,
मांगे।
50 लाख।
50,
50
हाँ
लाख।
तभी तो वो डांटता है, अमर डांटता है ना, पापा 50 लाख कहाँ से लाएंगे हम 50 लाख, आपका प्लान ही गलत है। आपको बेटी को किडनैप करना चाहिए था, बाप से पैसे मांगने चाहिए। आपने बाप को किडनैप किया और बेटी से पैसे मांगे, लगता है कच्चा खिलाड़ी है। याद नहीं वो? I think
Wow, yeah. This is
ये था ना।
cool. But I gave it to you when you said 8,000. What is that figure? 8,000 some
29 पैसे,
25,
कुछ
29
8,000 कुछ ऐसा कुछ लेके आते हैं वो बताता है ना अमर कि अरे पूरे जितना था सब लाए हैं माई बाप, वो पीछे से प्रेम बोल रहा होता है।
This is good.
हाँ।
Okay. हेरा फेरी में स्टार फिशरीज का फोन नंबर क्या था?
नहीं याद।
This was like he said it in a way that you can't forget it. He said it in a very जो गुलशन ग्रोवर का
आई नो हेरा फेरी इनफैक्ट ऐसी फिल्म है जो मैंने बहुत बार नहीं देखी है, यू नो, बिकॉज
अच्छा।
उस वक्त ना क्या था, हेरा फेरी वर्सेस अंदाज अपना अपना हो गया था। 99 इज हेरा फेरी आई थिंक, और 2000
Yeah,
it's I think 2000, it's not 90s.
Hmm.
So people, lot of people would say it's better than Andaz Apna, but I was a huge Andaz
Yeah.
Apna fan. Hera Feri I've
Same,
seen
yeah.
only once. I think I should watch it a little more.
Okay,
yeah,
he says Star Fisheries का number is 3 टकले 1212. He meant 888-1212.
Oh shit, I don't remember.
Okay, ठीक है. And that I gave it to you when you said Andaz Apna Apna. That's actually quite some knowledge, huh? Now this is my next segment. I like to call it Sip and Sip. Nearly lost out on pictures. Yeah, I know this.
Have I told you about this? Have I? Like,
No, मैंने देखा था
Okay.
कहीं. हाँ, I got it. I heard you somewhere.
I was, yeah. I
मतलब that
was
was
about
sheer
to.
luck.
Everything is luck, yaar. Everything is luck. I'm telling you, it's all luck. Things happen to you by luck, and it's, I mean, shows work, and suddenly you're considered a good actor. But वो अगर मिलता ही नहीं, अभी aspirants कैसे मुझे मिला है मुझे पता है, you know. तो I'm so happy. Again, it's luck.
Correct. Okay, second one. Take a sip. If you've ever danced at a really odd location or danced on the road, on the
I
truck,
think
or wherever.
you've seen my interviews. I think you've seen my,
I've done my research.
yeah, see.
Where have you danced? On a truck? छैया?
नहीं, मैंने इंडिया गेट पे डांस किया हुआ। इंडिया गेट। आप, where are you from, Griha? You are from
I'm from
Bombay,
Delhi.
or
No, I'm from Delhi.
When
I'm
did
right
you
here
leave?
in Delhi. I
फिर
told
आपको
you
पता
I
है
stayed 10 years in Rajendra Nagar, यार.
अच्छा हाँ, you just told me, sorry. तो हाँ, इंडिया गेट पे मैंने डांस किया है, और मैंने बचपन में तो कई जगह डांस किया होगा, क्योंकि मेरी जॉइंट फैमिली थी और मैं ही घर का नचनिया था इन अ वे, नो। तो मैंने पता नहीं कहाँ डांस किया होगा, क्योंकि जहाँ भी फैमिली फंक्शन हमारा होता था, दे वुड मेक मी डांस, रैंडम पार्टीज और घर के फंक्शंस। लेकिन बचपन में, बड़े होके फिर मैं बहुत ज्यादा शाय हो गया था, और फिर उसके बाद मैंने डांस किया ही नहीं, लाइक।
But we should see you more often dancing in your films and in your shows, yeah. कुछ तो utilize
मैं-
करना चाहिए the dancing skills.
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली क्या है कि दिल्ली में जब आप जॉइंट फैमिली वगैरह में होते हो ना, तो आपको लगता है बड़े अच्छे डांसर हो। अब आप बॉम्बे में आ गए हो और आपको दिखता है कि अरे डांसिंग एक्चुअली होती क्या है, यू नो, देयर आर सो मेनी ट्रेन्ड डांसर्स एंड यू नो दे आर डांसर्स। सो तो अभी फिर मैं तो अभी कुछ परस्यू नहीं करता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ लोगों को और मैं खुश हूँ।
Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you remember your very first fan encounter, if you remember.
The first one I wouldn't actually.
But anything that's stuck with you, मतलब एक होता है ना कि or any encounter that took you you were taken aback with.
I remember this girl who I bumped into at this restaurant, and she recognized me from Rowdies. I'm stunned. And then just a few days later, I bumped into her again at Prithvi Theatre. The same girl. And then she started talking to me, and she said, okay. And then उसको भी कुछ fascination था because she had seen me doing Run Vijay, and she spoke to me about things. उसने कहा कि मतलब बात कर रही थी वो, तो उसने कहा कि मैंने भी इंजीनियरिंग करी है, मैंने भी इंजीनियरिंग करी थी. Then she asked me, okay, you are from which batch? And I said 2006. And the moment I said 2006, she said, oh, you are old. So, so I remember that, you know,
Ouch.
I was like little taken aback. Oh, what does she do? Okay. So, so that happened. I remember that girl because अभी वो मेरा सिर्फ एक ही स्केच मैं अभी गलती से एक्टर बना था और उसने मुझे पहचाना और उसी से मैं दोबारा भी मिल गया. तो फिर
Okay, all right. She was okay. All right. Take a sip. If you have ever written a love letter in your life.
No, I've not written love letter.
Were you a popular boy in school, in college, school?
I was, I think, because of dramatics, but
not popular among
with,
ladies.
I don't think with the opposite sex. I mean, I didn't. मुझे love letter खुद पहली बार बॉम्बे में मिला है. Not because of like this is before pictures, but मुझे वैसे school college life में कभी कोई I don't think I've received a love letter, and I was a very shy person with you know with I mean I had a crush on like I liked someone, but I could never write a letter or anything like that. I could never do that. I didn't have the courage to do that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Take a sip. If you have made a complete fool of yourself in trying to impress someone, like it fell flat.
I think it happens a lot of times when you know when you are with someone and you're a little awkward, but when you're trying to be funny also, and people don't get your humor, it still happens. But you're trying to impress someone, you know. I mean, you're in a group, and so that still happens. But I don't remember. I can't pinpoint a particular thing that I've done.
Okay. All right. Take a sip. If you've lost out on an opportunity for being too honest.
Yeah. I have to talk about it.
Does it happen too many times? Yeah.
अभी थोड़ा सा better हो गया हूँ मैं.
Too many times, or is just one?
No, now it doesn't happen. I'm getting a little better. Yeah, abhi I would make sure. I was honest as in I would when I was in AD, you know, and when I was trying to sell my own script, तब मैं कई बार कुछ ऐसा बोलता था जो मुझे अगर लगता है जैसे you know while selling your own script, you should not say कि आपने average ही script लिखी है या it's not how कि दूसरा बंदा interest कैसे दिखाएगा अगर आप खुद ही बोल रहे हो कि but I think in your head you are comparing it to Shawshank Redemption, you're comparing it to Sholay, you know, so you think कि आपने कुछ ठीक ठाक लिखा है but and also in your head you're trying to be humble and simple कि how can you say कि अरे सर मैंने बड़ा kick-ass चीज लिख दी है लेकिन but I don't think you should, I mean while selling or if you have to make someone read your stuff, I don't think you should ever say that what you have written is average and below average.
Right.
Okay, producer इंटरेस्टेड ही क्यों होगा आपकी स्क्रिप्ट में अगर आप तो हाँ ऐसी चीजें हुई हैं. फिर किसी की स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के मैंने कुछ फीडबैक दिया है जिससे मुझे जॉब से ही निकाल दिया. That has also happened. That you know I was asked to read a script. I got a chance to work with a big production house as an AD. Then I was given a script to read and to give honest feedback. And I gave थोड़ा सा honest feedback.
ज़्यादा honest.
Then I was asked to read. I think I was polite about it, but yeah. ये क्या हुआ कि एक डायरेक्टर हैं वो एक बहुत बड़ा शो बनाते थे. तो उनके असिस्टेंट उनके जो राइटर एक मतलब राइटर भी था, ही वाज वन ऑफ द असिस्टेंट्स. ही सेड कि सर लेट्स टेक नवीन फॉर दिस पार्ट, यू नो. तो डायरेक्टर को अचानक से ना बड़ा गुस्सा आया. उसने डायरेक्टर ने गाली देके बोला कि बुला उसको, एंड ही आल्सो यूज्ड एन एडजेक्टिव. तो द राइटर द एडी फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु सजेस्टेड माय नेम, he was a little taken aback. तो उन्होंने डायरेक्टर से पूछा सर व्हाट हैपेंड. तो डायरेक्टर ने मेरे फ्रेंड को YouTube पे एक वीडियो दिखाया कि सी दिस लास्ट टाइम माय फिल्म केम आउट. उसमें ना एक वो पब्लिक पोल होता है ना, लाइक आफ्टर वाचिंग द फिल्म व्हेन यू कम आउट ऑफ द थिएटर, तो कुछ लोग माइक लेके घुस जाते हैं कि हाउ डिड यू फाइंड इट, यू नो. तो उसी डायरेक्टर की एक कोई पुरानी फिल्म पे, जब मैं कोई यू नो सेमी नॉन एक्टर भी नहीं था, कोई मेरे पास तो अब वहां पे और उन कमीनों ने थंबनेल पे भी मेरी फोटो लगा रखी है, यू नो. तो उस फिल्म पे यू नो पीपल केम आउट ऑफ थिएटर एंड पीपल लोग कह रहे थे कि हाँ लव्ड इट, लाइक्ड इट, ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म. और मैं जैसे ही बाहर आया तो मैंने कहा कि हाँ ठीक थी, इतना कुछ मजा नहीं आया. So the director remembered it, so that's you know, so I lost.
ये तो साले के बैड लक है.
हाँ तो इतने साल बाद भी उनको याद था. The thing is, makers watch everything which is there on the net. So if you are, so तो उसके बाद से I'm cautious, you know, because I realize that, you know, now people know me. I should not just speak whatever comes to my mind. I should not hurt people randomly. So,
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes back to biting you. That's true.
yeah.
Okay, I just saw Sunny Hinduja. He says hi. So your bonding with the Sandeep Bhaiya has been so loved, so loved. You have to talk about what is the equation like between you and Sunny.
I think Sunny has become very close to me. Strangely, I don't know, because of the lockdown or because of the show, we are like talking to each other every day. And even during the show, I think we, you know, हम लोग बहुत क्लोज हो गए थे. और मुझे लगता है वही कहीं ना कहीं सीन्स में भी दिखता है. Because I was also not staying with my parents, though I'm also from Delhi, but because of COVID thing, we were shooting in Delhi now. So I was also staying in a hotel, and Sunny is from Bombay, so he was also staying in a hotel.
Yeah.
So हम लोग बहुत, you know, we spent a lot of time together. We would talk about lots of other things. Sorry. तो मुझे लगता है वो इन a way काफी workshopping हुई. We also shared a lot of secrets, our secrets, and we became too close. यार, I think वो मुझे लगता है कि वो कहीं ना कहीं शो में भी दिखता है. और अभी शो के बाद ही हम लोग, बिकॉज हम दोनों ना लगभग सेम टाइम से हैं. आई थिंक सनी इज आल्सो फ्रॉम 2008, like he's been in Bombay since 2008. I have also been here. So चाहे जर्नीज अलग अलग हैं, बट मुझे लगता है कि maybe batch similar है, you know, the kind of experiences we've had. Also, we are also very similar kind of people. We doubt ourselves a lot. We're never very sure of what we've done. And during the scenes, हम लोग हेल्प कर रहे थे एक दूसरे को. मतलब मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे फेवरेट सीन्स वही हैं जो सनी के साथ हैं. हालांकि मैं कुछ ज्यादा बोल नहीं रहा हूँ उसमें, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, बट मुझे बहुत मजा आया उन सीन्स. Because I think the kind of energies we were exchanging while performing that scene, you know, काफी गिव एंड टेक था आंखों के थ्रू, यू नो. सो आई थिंक वो इसी वजह से हुआ शायद कि हम लोग ऑफ कैमरा भी बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बने. वो मैं अपूर्व जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, तीनों का ही एक बड़ा, यू नो, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा एक स्पिरिचुअल सा बॉन्ड बन गया ड्यूरिंग द शूट. सो व्हिच आई मीन आई वुड लाइक टू, in fact I was just telling Sari yesterday, you know, this is something which I would like to have for the rest of my life. The kind of bond we share, it's very, yeah. So
and also, I mean, as an actor, if you can emote silently, that's the mark of a good actor, I feel. And those silences really spoke to the people, and that's why I believe they're loving, you know, your bond with Sunny, with Sandeep Bhaiya, the character. So that's really stood as such. It shows, you know, in all the scenes. I should say that. Want to address any questions? जो हमेशा पूछा जाएगा वो है Pictures 2 कब आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है. You want to talk that before we say goodbye?
हाँ, अब तो, but now people should specify, you know. अभी तक लोग पूछते थे season 2 कब आएगा. Now they should mention which show are they talking about. Are they talking about Picture?
So that's why I got another one. This is by Arpita. She wants to know about Aspirant season 2. There was one more person, I didn't see the name, but that person wants to know about Picture season 2.
I don't know. I mean, Arnav is talking about it. Arnav says that it will happen. I think in a public forum पे भी उन्होंने कहीं बोल दिया है कि it will happen. But I don't know here. I would want it to happen ASAP. I mean, not ASAP. I mean, ideally actually ASAP. But I don't know when is it coming out. They say it's going to happen. Now they say पहले indefinitely push हुआ था. Now I think they have plans. They've also shown the teaser, you know, a small glimpse of it in a teaser. I don't know if you've seen it. The shows, the TVF shows that are coming out in 2021, we see a glimpse of pictures in that. So I'm also hoping that I cannot guarantee it because there's no point doing it.
Right.
But I'm also hoping for it to happen.
When a show becomes so popular and suddenly it's just plagued by plagiarism rumors, it's just happened yesterday that Aspirants is starting to be compared with some other literary work and there are legal cases and everything. You know, as being part of a project which has been so hugely appreciated, does it dampen your spirits a lot?
See, it has happened for the first time. I don't know. I can't say because, you know, it has not, like, I don't know how huge it is and how, like, what exactly is it, because I know that Dipesh has worked on it for 1.5 years. So I know that it's his story and it's his script. I mean, probably the makers would know more. What's the scene there? I've also heard about it. Okay, but I'm actually fine about it.
Right.
I've not spoken to Dipesh about it, but I read the post that he has shared. So, which I think is very coming from the right place. I would like to
Right. Right.
believe what he, yeah.
Correct. Correct. Okay, Naveen, I saw a very, very interesting question this is by Charuta Gupta. And I want to take this. She asks you, why do you smile so less?
पता है ये
चारुता की क्वेरी आंसर करो आप.
ये मैं बहुत बार सुन चुका हूँ. ये जब aspirants का जब my director was not very sure of me. I had to test for aspirants. I never tested for pictures, but aspirants के लिए मेरा audition हुआ है proper. और मेरा ईगो भी हर्ट हुआ था. मुझे लगा था अरे TVF का शो है और ये they want to test me. I mean they तो know कि मैं acting आती है मुझे थोड़ी बहुत. But Apoor was not very sure, the director. So I met Apoor and we met. हम लोग 3-4 दिन तक हम लोग मिले और I think 3rd, 4th day Apoor also asked me this question. Naveen, why do you? I've been talking to you since 3-4 days and I'm not seeing you smiling, not even once. And I was like, shit, I think I'm smiling. I don't know. It's. तभी काफी deliberately उसने deliberately काम किया इस पे. He would make me smile. In the show, he's made me smile a lot. I feel I've smiled the maximum in this show. I don't know if it's coming across, while interacting with Dhairya or in my other scenes. So, this is something which I need to work upon. I've heard this from a lot of people that because अंदर से तो मैं हंस रहा होता हूँ, लेकिन मेरी
बाहर दिख नहीं रही है. But I hope you continue to smile. Yeah, you should smile because of your work, the applause that you're. Yeah, you should, and you will. I hope, and I'm wishing you all the best for your future collaborations, your projects, your films. All the best for that, and fingers crossed on Picture Season 2, Aspirants Season 2. May we get to see all of that very, very soon. Thank you so much for doing this, Naveen.
Thank you so much.